Hi, what I want to show you today is a Gastronorm container holder from Royal Catering. It's a very useful tool in literally any kitchen in the world. Especially useful when you serve burgers because that dish requires a lot of elements that you need to have on hand. So basically it is a stainless steel construction. It accepts 5 Gastronorm containers with a depth of 65 up to 10 centimeters. These come in the set. So you're getting 5 Gastronorm containers, those 1/6, of course with the fitting lid to it. So what you would do, you would just drop your condiments or your ingredients that you need in a speed well of sorts in front of you, and that would just drop in a section in front of you. Of course, if you're looking for one of these, please have a look at the website because there's a different configuration, different setups, and you'll find definitely the one that you need for your venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, even though there's not much that can break, but 3 years, that's pretty cool, huh? If you order one of these, they will be sent to you in a really sturdy packaging, just like this one. So nothing should happen to it, no matter what the delivery service does to it. But as I said, there's not much that can break, so it's pretty safe on its way. All right, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.